Paradise City Drag Strip car show. Up inside. Planes are cool. That's what's called a Corvette. Yeah. Corvette. Now, I'm going to back way up to get this truck. Look at that. Hey, Ethan, there's your lift kit. Booyah.
How did you get in the truck?
Climb up in it. Oh, I like that truck. Oh, he's drag racing. Yeah, we'll get those too.
I'm gonna take my other friend somewhere.
Yeah.
That's just called a clean motor. How clean it is. Ooh.
Yeah, that
Dealing with his messed up hair at the car show.
I tried to call you yesterday. I told
Been dealing with his messed up hair at the car show.
we did get together on them telephone calls.
Ooh, that's for sale. $14,500. $14,500. Oh, that's a bad car. Hell yeah. Check out this other row. Yeah, it's a hot rod. Where did he get that time? It was 427. 427.
Yeah, mine's a 69. No problem. That's I had a 69. My first car was a 69, and I traded it.
Oh, I like the Chevelle. That was clean. There. Go running. What it's about? Those guys in the hot rods. Well, I gotta get my Camaro running. Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn bobblehead. Ooh.
It's a
Z28,
Corvette.
yes.
One of these are a Hellcat.
Yeah,
I know one of them are. Right there's a Hellcat.
yeah.
That's a Cobra.
Mustang Cobra.
Hot rod.
Rat rod.
Rat rod.
Oh, Ford. Recording again. Mustang right there.
I wish you'd put his hood up.
Urban Machine camouflage. Must be the Mustang corner. No, there's a Corvette. Down at the end. Orange Dodge. Orange Dodge. Tanya. There's your color, baby. Orange. A lot of Dodges.
God, he takes his car. Dodge Town in here.
I don't know.
All Dodges.
Yeah, it should. But it's crazy. You can buy like 700 to 800 horsepower cars in the factory. It doesn't even have a full frame.
I don't know the name of this car.
Pontiac. This is a Pontiac.
I like this car.
How old is he?
He's about 12 weeks.
Black top. Oh, look at this old car.
That's my favorite.
It's green.
Yep. Yeah, I like the lights on it. Dang.
VIP show.
That's what you call a clean motor.
Yeah, that is a clean motor.